Welcome back to Aurora Generators. Today we have a few things going on. In just a moment you'll see one of our technicians in a time-lapse video mate a Perkins engine and a Mecc Alte alternator head together. When that's done, it'll be mounted on a generator chassis that is used to support the whole assembly, control panel, battery, and optional fuel tank. The generator, when completed, will be our 10 kilowatt Perkins model with auto start. It's popular for homes and off-grid applications. The first step is to get the engine level on the work table. It's a few hundred pounds, so we don't want it moving around on us. Next, we're going to set up one of these Mecc Alte generator heads on a hydraulic lift table. We just need one of them from this crate for now, and they come bolted down to prevent them from shifting in transportation. One of the things that makes this generator head so special is because it's much smaller than traditional ones. It's a space saver or pancake type, making it shorter and lighter in weight than so many others. The only downside is it's harder to assemble. We need to disassemble part of it to access some of the mounting locations. But by doing so, there's more room to use the proper tools and torque wrenches. We still use stainless steel fasteners and even a thread locker on these critical parts since they rotate and we never want anything to come loose. Here is where the leveling table helps us align everything so we can press it all together again. There's very little room between the moving parts, so the goal is to never scratch or dent anything in the process. Next, we reposition the lifting straps on our electric chain hoist to ensure everything is level. The tables are then moved out of the way. Here, you'll see Jason installing the vibration isolators before the support beams, or risers as we call them, are installed. These fasteners are also stainless steel, and like all other hardware, they're also torqued. The customer that's getting this generator doesn't need a fuel tank, so you won't see it on the chassis, but a battery tray is still needed, so we mount it in place here. Also, while everything is still within reach, we use this opportunity to add the easy oil drain valve and any additional engine sensors that'll be wired up later. After all this work is completed, it's time to move the generator to the next stage in the assembly process. That'll be the wiring up of the electrical panels, the circuit breakers, and the generator auto start controller. We'll show that in another video. Be sure to follow us and please visit us at auroragenerators.com for more information. Leave us a comment. What would you like to see in our next video, or what would you like us to discuss and show you about Aurora diesel generators? We'd love to hear from you.